2024 Volvo XC40. For decades, Volvo created cars that were fair as plain and boxy as they were safe with a capital S. Advanced Volvo proceeds to charm us with models that are indeed more secure, but with a plan that's much more rich and expressive. That incorporates the spunky entry-level XC40 SUV, which mixes fabulous security with an upscale vibe and a young character. The cabin offers drivers the next seating position than what's found in rivals such as the BMW X1 and the Mercedes-Benz GLA class. Indeed, the slightest costly variation highlights and welcoming and pleasantly trimmed insides, and the upper trims see completely premium. Each XC40 is fueled by a turbocharged 4-cylinder motor with all-wheel drive that hurries along pleasantly, and Volvo hasn't held back on standard security and assistance technology. An electric adaptation is additionally accessible in the event that you're trying to find an eco-friendlier alternative, but we survey the XC40 Revive independently. Volvo gives and takes up cent for 2024. Gone is the front-wheel drive B4 drivetrain that made 194 drive. The B5 all-wheel drive trim gets to be the sole choice, utilizing the same turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder making 247 drive. Two modern outside colors connect the palette, cloud blue and vapor dark metallic. The entry-level center trim spruces up its looks with a shining outside subject that includes sparkly trim pieces around the car. Extra standard hardware for this trim incorporates remote phone charging and keyless section. The Furthermore and Extreme trims get their choice of shining or dim outside topics. The Furthermore trim includes a 360-degree surround view camera, a cabin disc purifier, and bigger 19-inch wheels to its list of standard gear. The Extreme moves up a wheel measure to 20 inches and makes cornering lights standard. The Extreme moreover picks up the fancier driven headlights fitted to the battery electric XC40 Energize. All 2024 XC40s are fueled by the same motor, a turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder making 247 drive and helped by a 48-volt half-breed framework. Control goes to all four wheels through a smooth shifting 8-speed program transmission. At our test track, the XC40 hit 60 miles per hour in 6.1 seconds. That time is nothing to complain around in a compact hybrid. The deplete note, on the other hand, is rough and coarse beneath overwhelming throttle. The XC40's towing capacity, an irregularity among subcompact luxury crossovers, remains a heavy 3,500 pounds. Modern Swedish styling meets fun and functional design interior the XC40. The cabin's light and vaporous air confers a genuinely upscale vibe indeed within the base center trim. Traveler space is ample in both the front and raised seats. As is the case with its more costly stablemates, the XC60 and XC90, the XC40 is utilitarian interior, well-made, and flawlessly designed, if not very as extravagant and sumptuous. Volvo architects took the opportunity to join more energetic prospers within the cabin of the Furthermore trim, such as the finished metallic trim input of conventional wood decorates and rectilinear vents with drifting chrome adjusters. Top-of-the-line Extreme models wear a classier appearance, with driftwood trim and a move handle created from Aurifor's precious stone. In our baggage test, the XC40 overseen to suit 23 carry-on bags with its raised seats collapsed. Also, Volvo has coordinates a few creative cargo storage highlights all through the XC40's insides, such as a snare that flips out from the glove box to hold takeout sacks, a divider for the cargo region, and a detachable rubbish canister with a pivoted entryway within the center support. The cost of the 2024 Volvo XC40 begins at $41,295 and goes up to $49,995 depending on the trim and alternatives. We'd select the mid-range also trim. On beat of its modern highlights, it comes with an all-encompassing sunroof, calfskin seats, driven mist lights, a power folding raised situate, and a gem-equipped selector.